Out to COVID-19 crisis, a new record 173 deaths in the state of Florida and more than 10,000 new cases overnight. Meantime, the United States just surpassed 4 million cases.
After trending down for the past couple of days, the percent positives are going in the wrong direction in all three major South Florida counties. Palm Beach County is at 11.3%, while Broward County is at 14.1%, and Miami-Dade County sits at 18.5%. New questions tonight about the accuracy of the death count after the CBS 12 News I-Team uncovers several cases of people listed as COVID deaths, but clearly died from something else.
I-Team reporter Danielle Wall has more on those discrepancies and the changes that the medical examiner's office is now making after our investigation.
A 90-year-old man who fell and died from complications of a hip fracture. A 60-year-old man dead from a gunshot wound to the head. These are some of the deaths in Palm Beach County recently and incorrectly labeled as COVID deaths in medical examiner records. The I-Team reviewed a copy of the Palm Beach County Medical Examiner's COVID death spreadsheet. It has 581 deaths listed. All of them tested positive for COVID-19. But CBS 12 News noticed 8 cases in which the person died of something completely different, like Parkinson's or a neck fracture, and COVID was not listed as the cause of death. We wanted to know why they were still being listed as a coronavirus fatality.
I think it's completely misleading.
Rachel Eade has the same questions. She's a Palm Beach County resident reviewing the ME's records, and she found out of all of these cases, just 169 were listed as COVID-19 infections without any contributing illnesses. She thinks all of the others should be reported with more context, like comorbidities.
I understand that maybe they want to be safe in counting those numbers initially, but we are 4 or 5 months in, we have more information and we have that data. We need to remove the COVID cases that are not exclusive COVID, and we need to be giving people that information.
Governor DeSantis on Fox News this morning said after an Orange County motorcycle crash was recorded as a COVID death, Florida's fatality count needs another review.
I think the public, when they see the fatality figures, they want to know who died because they caught COVID. If you're just in a car accident, and we've had other instances in which it just was no real relationship that has been counted. So we want to look at that and see, how pervasive that issue is as well.
We took our investigation to the Palm Beach County Medical Examiner's office. Their operations manager took a look at the cases that we flagged and admitted they were errors. He says the staff is working to remove the erroneous deaths and says we should see an update in the next report that they release tomorrow. In West Palm Beach, Danielle Wass, CBS 12 News.